Hi, I'm Ray, and this is my new home in Thailand. Right now, I'm inside the house waiting for something that's not only the best toy I can imagine, but also for me as a musician and a content creator, a huge inspiration for video projects just like the one you're watching right now. About 4 months ago, I ordered a custom-built CrossKart in Bangkok. To fill my time, I've been playing the piano, the guitar, and even the accordion. I've also been trying to improve my Thai skills. Although Thai is so different from European languages, speaking and reading isn't as impossible as I thought. What does seem impossible, though, is understanding a native speaker. As soon as I start saying basic things like "Sawadee krap" or "Kun sabai di mai krap," I often get bombarded with an infinite number of words at the pace of 60 words per second. I usually end up just saying, "Mai khao chai." Believe me, I say that a lot. Sorry, I'm getting a bit off track here. Even though I have many hobbies, time just doesn't seem to pass quickly enough. So I had to come up with other activities such as sitting in the corner, looking at the room, sitting in the room, looking at the corner, counting the dots of my TV screensaver, and playing lots of video games. I think these have been the longest 4 months of my life, but I had no choice whatsoever. I just had to wait. So that's what I did. I waited and waited and waited and waited until today. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me today and checking out my new CrossKart. It's been an amazing experience and I'm more than happy with how everything turned out. I know many of you would love to see the CrossKart in action without all the editing and the music, but don't worry, there will be plenty of videos like that coming very soon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming adventures. Of course, I'm also highly interested in your opinions about my new card. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. See you in the next video.